Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open the Settings app. On your iPhone home screen, find the Settings app. This app is represented by a gray icon with gears on it and is where you can control your iPhone's features and settings. Tap on Settings to open the menu. Navigate to General Settings. Once you are inside the Settings app, scroll down until you see the option labeled General. Tap General to access the general settings of your iPhone. This menu contains a variety of important system settings, including software updates, language, and keyboard settings. Find the keyboard settings. After entering the general settings, scroll down again until you find the section called Keyboard. Tap on Keyboard to open all the keyboard-related settings. This is where you can customize your typing experience, from enabling different languages to modifying features like autocorrect. Turn off autocorrection. In the keyboard settings menu, you'll see several toggles that control features like auto-capitalization, predicted text, and more. Locate the option called autocorrection. Autocorrection is usually turned on by default. If the switch next to it is green, it means it is enabled. Tap the toggle to turn it off. Once it is off, the switch will no longer be green, indicating that the feature has been disabled. Exit the Settings app. Once you have turned off autocorrect and made any other desired changes, you can simply exit the Settings app. You don't need to save any settings manually. Your changes are applied automatically as soon as you toggle the options. And that is everything you need to know about how to turn off autocorrect on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.